Hello students, welcome to the second part of this Python tutorial. Today we'll be creating Python series using Numpy arrays and functions. So first of all, welcome all to my channel Study Tips and Tricks. Here you will get all type of information about your studies. So here in this part, let's create. So I have opened a new notebook in Jupyter. First of all, you must know about the topic of today's video. Today's video is about creating series object using numpy functions and arrays. So first of all, you have to import libraries of Python and numpy to use the following. It is very necessary to import them. Let me import all dictionaries. All we will be creating our series through the function of Python of a range. That's a function which can be used to create a list object, and we will be creating a series using this function. So I have taken a variable named a, and in this variable I will be taking the indexes like 1 2 3 4 and 5 and 6 now, and one more 7. Now we will be creating series using taking variable b. The syntax, as you already know, pd dot series where s is capital. So in this function we will write np dot a range in the data type. So in a range function it is used to create list. It is just like range function you have already studied. Like here I am taking from 1 to 8. As you know, in list and a range last element is skipped, and indexes as we have created as e. So now we will be creating this series and print it. As you can see, the list has been printed here, and 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 is the data and index as well. This is the way you can create series using a range function. Now moving ahead further, I will be creating series using again a range function of numpy, but I will be giving some steps. As you know, in range function we used to give start, stop and step. Like that we also give here the same thing. Like I have given 1 to 17 to 2, sorry 15 to 2. As you can see here, the result has been printed by 2 steps. And by another function we will use here is line space. The line space is a function of Python Pandas which can be used to create list. This function does smaller things, like it breaks down your data into given parts. That parts you will specify. In this tutorial you will master these functions, a range and line space. So here I will be creating series using np dot line space. In line space all letters should be small and spelling should be LINSPACE. I have taken here like this. So I take the data as 1 comma 9 and I will be breaking down it in 7 equal parts. Let's see what gets under in the result after printing. So students, you can see here I have printed B. So let's run it. As you can see student, the result it has breaks down into 7 equal parts. Thank you student for this tutorial. Keep learning.